skirting on this bed. I don't like that it's not quite reaching the floor like I like. It's kind of like my bed has high waters on it. It's not quite long enough for me. You see there's like a gap from here to here. And I prefer my bedding skirt to go all the way to the floor. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to get that updated. So in order to do that, I am going to have to take this mattress off. So let me go ahead and get that done. So now I have switched this out to my new dust ruffle. This is in a king size actually, and I like the length. My steamer is not working, so I couldn't press out these wrinkles, but I'm going to just let them naturally fall out because it is way too hot to be trying to press all these wrinkles out. Now, since this is a bedroom refresh, I decided to try out this new mattress topper. And I'm just adding it to the top of my mattress. Now, I've never used one of these before, but I thought that it would be a great idea to use it in this bedroom refresh. So now the mattress topper has been installed. It looks great. It feels great. So now we're going to add some sheets to this bed to give it some more color. Nothing quite so refreshing than some fresh sheets and bed linens on your bed. I added the duvet cover off camera and I didn't like the wrinkles in it, so here I am just quickly using an iron. It's 1,000 degrees outside, but I didn't like all the wrinkles, so I thought I would just go ahead and knock some of them out to give it a little bit more smoother look. Okay, you guys, I did go back and do some ironing on this duvet cover. However, I couldn't get all the wrinkles out, of course, because in a duvet cover, you have a comforter on the inside. So I did get a lot of the wrinkles out. I also ironed my pillowcases here. So these are actually the pillows that my guests will actually be sleeping on. So now I'm just going to add more pillows to make it all decked out and festive for the summer season. So now I have added my Eurashams. These are 26 by 26 inches. This is a great way to give your bed a more luxe and cozy look. So now I am going to be adding these beautiful shams here with the pops of yellow. And I'm going to add these to my pillows here, because the duvet cover that you see, it is light gray ticking stripe, and so this is going to give me the pop of color that I need. So let's add these pillow shams to the Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. So I can tell from this sham here to this one here, I need something in between these two, because this looks kind of awkward here because this is so tall and then it drops. So I'm going to add another layer of pillows in here. So now I have added in that second layer of pillows that I was talking about. So I just added this white set of pillows here with the heavy embossment on it, and so this gives me a more balanced look on the front portion of the bed. Now I have added the second comforter at the foot of the bed here, and I think it pulls down that same color that are in my pillows up here. But to break it up a little bit, I'm going to add one more pillow, and I'm going to add a solid yellow pillow to put right in the center here. And I'm going to put that into place. And I think that's going to make this a bright, sunny bed. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to take this picture and I'm going to create a floral arrangement to go on my nightstand. Now these are the florals that I'm going to be using, and all of these florals here came from my local Michael's store, and they are 70% off. And I also purchased this arrangement of yellow, and this is just one stem, you guys. This is a thick stem, and I think it was $12.99 originally, and I got it for 70% off. And this one was $4.99 originally, and I got it for 70% off. So it was probably around like $1.80 or something like that. So these are what we're going to be using. I'm going to create two, so let's get started. Since I don't have two, I'm going to use this white picture here to make my second floral arrangement. And I'm going to use the same florals. However, I am going to be using these beautiful eucalyptus picks that I got from the Dollar Tree earlier this summer. And this is all it says on it. And I did a video about this. I think it's my Lowe's visit. You might want to check out that video. And I go into a lot of detail about their picks there at the Dollar Tree. So I have my little ocean view screensaver in the background. So that's that little flowing water that you're seeing right there. Isn't that wonderful? And I'm going to go ahead and clip these tags off and put them in there. I bought my little sharp scissors. We're going to get those clipped and we're going to make these arrangements. Now the other noise that you're hearing in the background is this ceiling fan. Probably needs some WD-40 added to it because it is squeaking. But let's get started. So I'm going to start by adding these two. I'm going to use two of these, and I'm just going to place them on the inside of the vase. I'm not going to do a lot of spreading out with these, just a little bit, give them a little bend. And see how that one just fills up the whole vase right there? And then I'm just going to add a second one. And I'm going to spread that out just a little bit. I like these little white pom-pom balls that are on each of those. I thought those were adorable. And then I'm just going to take this nice stem. This is a wonderful stem. It is so full. And I'm just going to pop that into the center and just kind of pull some of my other florals through and just mix it in so it'll look like it's all one arrangement. And voila, we have our first arrangement. Look at that. Isn't she gorgeous? So now I'm just going to do the next one. So for my second vase, I only have one of these, so I'm going to have to improvise here. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that down in the vase. And then I'm going to take my little eucalyptus stems. Aren't these beautiful? They are strong contenders for Michael stems. And I'm just going to place one on one side and one on the other side. Because I only bought 3. I don't know why come I didn't buy more of these right here. And I'm just going to place that in there. And this is going to act as the base, the foundation for that vessel there. And then I'm going to add this in the center. And that just helps with more foliage. And we just kind of want to bring these through. Kind of mix them in to make them look like one unit. So there's my quick DIY for my floor arrangement. So now I'm going to set these into place. So right now, this is the only thing that I have on the nightstand. Of course, I have my wreath on the wall. I'm letting that remain. A lamp and this little charger here. This little rattan charger to kind of ground everything. So I'm just going to add in my floral arrangement and put that into place. I have 4 of these little marble coasters. Aren't they beautiful? See the veining in these, the difference in between the two. And I'm going to put the heavy veined one on top, and I'm just going to set that right there into place. I'm also going to add a battery operated candle. I'm going to just set that right on the top, just like that. And I'm going to take my little friendly pet here, and I'm going to add her at an angle right at the base of the lamp. So that's going to be my vignette for this particular nightstand. And I'm going to duplicate this same look on the other side. So that's the complete look. A lot of changes. The only thing I did change over here in this corner was I added this chair, and I bought this from my office, and I just placed this fluffy white pillow. To me it reminds me of white coconut. Put that in the corner there, and of course I added the large candlestick here. I added some garland to make it look more natural like, and this owl lantern and this greenery here. I forget what these are called. These were on my nightstand last year, and that's how I created that vignette on the floor, and I think it is a cozy corner. I also switched out this little mini area rug, and I just placed this soft white cozy one down here. So this is definitely a guest bedroom that no shoes are required. I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel today, and I hope that you enjoyed this summer guest bedroom refresh and the ideas and tips that I shared throughout that can be easily transferred to any season. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye guys.